Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the Snowflake file-safe and data recovery. File-safe and data recovery in Snowflake. File-safe and data recovery. File-safe is Snowflake's final layer of the production that helps recover the historical data after the time travel expires. So in the Snowflake, this Snowflake has got two features: time travel and file-safe. So time travel and file safe. In this time travel period, whatever the data you have lost, for example, you have wrongly updated the data which is required for your testing, and wrongly you have deleted the data, or one of your team members unintentionally deleted the data or updated the data which is required for the unit testing. Using the time travel feature of the Snowflake, you are going to go back to the few days back, and from the historical data, you are going to recover it. That is the main concept behind the time travel. But file safe means even after the time travel period ends, we have one more the number of days called fail safe. In this fail safe period, you will be in a position to rewrite the data back, but you cannot do it manually by or using the query. You have to contact the Snowflake admin or support to take this data recovery. What is failsafe? Failsafe is a 7-day period after the time travel retention expires. Mostly this comes with the enterprise edition of the Snowflake. For example, um, 90 days is the period for the time travel feature of the enterprise edition. So 90 days time period is over, and after that I have the 7 days for the file safe. So in this file safe period, I want to take back the wrongly updated or deleted data. I have to contact the Snowflake team to recover the data. Read only period. Users cannot query the data directly. It is used only for the disaster recovery. It is managed by the Snowflake support. Cannot be disabled or shortened. We cannot handle it directly. So retention examples are time travel up to 90 days. This is accessible by the user. Failsafe is only for 7 days. That is accessed only by the Snowflake. How failsafe works? The process flow. User deletes or drops the data. For example, one of my team member by unintentionally they have dropped the data or delete the data. During this time travel period, as a user, I should be able to query those data. If my edition is standard edition, I will be in a position to recover this data in 1 day period. If I'm going to use the enterprise edition, I'm going to use 90 days recover period to take back this data. Maybe my data release in within 1 or 2 days. So using this time travel period, I'm going to recover the data. As a user, I can query it. After that, Snowflake retains the data in the failsafe for 7 more days. Data can be recovered by only the Snowflake support, not by the user or not by the query. So time travel user access is 1 to 90 days. Failsafe is 7 days. So this is what the main concept behind the time travel and the failsafe. Data recovery methods. There are two levels of recovery methods available. One is user level recovery, that is time travel, using the SQL commands undrop or select at. So there are two levels of recovery. First one is using the time travel. The user must be able to access this data using the query by using undrop or select at this timestamp or before this timestamp. System level recovery, which is the file safe, that is not helped by the user. So that for that we have to contact the Snowflake team to restore the data. Undrop the tables, undrop table name. So time travel means it is user-driven recovery. Those retrieving of the data, the wrongly updated data or deleted data, whatever the lost data, that is under the control of the user. They can query it and they can take it back. But file safe is not in our hand. The file safe is that comes after the time travel. That comes after the time travel. So that is not recovered by us. That is recovered only by the Snowflake team. So it ensures the data durability and the compliance. So please understand the difference between the time travel and the file safe. Time travel is only for 1 day in standard edition and 90 days in enterprise edition. If you are able to get the data within this time travel period, within the 90 days, you are good to go. If you are not able to get that, but still you have another data recovery period called the file safe, which is beyond the time travel, but that will be done. That is a system part. So that will be taken care by the Snowflake support. Only the Snowflake admin people can help you to get back the data. that is not done by the user. So this is the main difference you have to understand in the time travel and the fail-safe protects against the accidental or catastrophic loss. I hope this session was interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned to the Provoke Trainings for more exciting content like this. If you have any queries regarding this content for today's session or for registering the course, please provide your details in this form. Provide your full name, mobile number, email ID, location, and which is the course you are opting for. If you require any upgraded content of today's session, or if you are willing to register for this course, please submit this form. Our team will reach out to you for further queries. Thank you so much.